Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Keyfob battery for 2016 to I believe 2018 Honda HRVs. Basically the models that do not have the push button start, so the old school key in ignition systems. So it's really easy, you just need the right tools and I'm going to show you how to do it the proper way. So first off, we want to look for that little screw there when we turn it around from where the buttons are. And you need a precision screwdriver set. So you need something small enough to be able to reach the head of the screw there. And they kind of look like this. They're usually sold in a set. You can buy them from Canadian Tire if you're in Canada, or maybe from the dollar store. But once you get a set, you just loosen that little screw and just be careful. Just make sure that you don't lose it. It's small and then you can easily drop it or lose it somewhere. So put that down. And you also need a flathead screwdriver. So not a small one, a decent size one. You want one that's big enough so it has the power to basically separate the two pieces there. You see that little slot there? That's where we're going to stick the flat screwdriver. So we're going to stick it in on an angle. And then once you have it on an angle, you twist upwards, okay? So basically up and to the right. And it should loosen. So in this case, it did separate there. And then you just have to go around the key very carefully. So might have to go around the other side in several places just until it comes off nicely or it's easy to separate. And at this point, that's where the battery is, that piece there. So it's the other side without the buttons. So to get it off, you can use your flathead screwdriver. Just be really careful. You just want to put it into the bottom there and then twist up. And then it should pop off pretty easily like that. Okay. And the battery that we're going to need is a CR1620. So it's a little bit pricier, but you could buy them online or at a store. So once you get the new one, you want to put it back into its home there with the branding facing downward. Okay. So you just have to press it in place, make sure it's secure, and that's really it. And after that, you just have to put the key back together and you just have to line it up. And once you line it up, you just press on the edges. It should snap in place and just go all the way around. And it should be pretty easy. So once it's all locked up, you're ready to go. You just need to test the buttons. And actually, before you test the buttons, of course, you got to put the screw back in. The screw there, it's probably not essential, but it's there just to basically hold the top and the bottom together. So as you can see there, press the buttons and the LED lights up and you're done.